It's hard to exaggerate the EPA's latest overreach. Hi, I'm Cynthia Lummis with this week's Cattle Call. I've joined 20 of my colleagues in writing a letter to EPA Administrator Gina McCarthy, asking her to back off her determination that her agency has the authority to collect garnished wages to pay what they say are delinquent fines, and doing so without a court order. This violates the American people's right to due process. This is an agency that over the last 4 years has increased their fines 160% and currently is levying fines of $187,000 a day against a Wyoming couple who built a pond on their property. This agency is one that the Obama administration needs to rein in. Their claim of authority that they can, without due process for American citizens, levy these kinds of fines and then garnish wages without further due process is reprehensible. For this week's Cattle Call, I'm Cynthia Lummis.